Hello, I am Melvin Glick. I have a quick tip for organizing information in your students' contacts. Did you know you can arrange the order of contacts for a student by clicking the up or down arrow? This allows you to arrange the contacts in a specific order. Maybe the custodial parent or parents should always be listed first. Or maybe you know that during the school day, someone other than the parent should be your first call. Simply click the arrows to move the parent or contact up or down the list. Don't worry, this only affects this student's contacts. It will not arrange it for any siblings or other students. Second, did you know that you can choose which phone number to display in the box? If I click on the parent's name, a new window opens up. We will go down to the phone numbers. So we can see this parent has two phone numbers listed. If we want the home number to be listed on the front page, not the daytime, we use the up arrow to move the arrow up, and now 8065 will be the phone number listed on the page. Let's go check our work. So we should see 8065 at the top of the page after we refresh. Let's go back to the page. It's the 9206. If we refresh, we can see it's the 8065 at the top of the list. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip.